Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use your refrigerator for pictures. Remember I showed you how to use the freezer? Well, first you need a refrigerator. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. And you need to empty the refrigerator out. Like so. It makes the perfect staging area. You can use any type of doll or action figure for this. And as you see, that's a great picture to take. The lighting is really great. You don't need extra lighting. You just need to put the figure in there. Let's see if I've been working with this one because I'm doing creepy dolls. All right. Switch them out. And you can get nice in there. You can arrange her so you don't have to see the refrigerator side walls. And that's it. That's my quick tutorial on using your refrigerator to take pictures using dolls.